Welcome to the Sources SOLV series. We'll be focusing on the event application during this video. Event applications are used for registering an event with the source. They can also be used to request money from USG or GSG. The most important thing to consider before filling out an event application is making sure the event is at least 30 business days in the future. We cannot accept it if it is less than 30 days. This allows enough time for the source and USG or GSG to process the information. The first page of the application has general information, a checklist, and event policies. Make sure to read this page over before filling out the application. The second page contains questions about the event. First, specify which student organization the event is for. Please write out the full name without abbreviations. Next, fill out advisor name, number, email, as well as your name, position, number, and email. Specify whether your organization is undergraduate, graduate, or blended. Blended means that you have both graduate and undergraduate members in your organization. Then, fill in the project details with the name of the project or event, date or dates, where it will be held, and how many people you expect to show up. If your organization is going to generate funding to hold this event outside of the UAF or SAF funding, mark the Yes box. If your organization doesn't plan on generating additional funds, check No. With as much detail as possible, explain how you are going to advertise your event to the public. If you are going to use flyers, attach one to the packet. If you do use flyers, make sure the disclaimer is on them. Now describe why USG or GSG should allocate funds for this event or project. Next, indicate if this project is open to the campus community, free for attendees, or for your organization only. Also, indicate if this request includes food, supplies, or both. If you are donating requested items to an entity outside of UA, check the box. After you have filled out the above information, have your campus advisor sign on the advisor signature line. You should also sign on the requester signature sign. The third page of the application is the request sheet. This page is to specify where you will be purchasing items from, what they are, estimated cost, quantity, and total amount. If requesting items, you must attach some sort of documentation for the items. For example, if you are buying something from Target, you can attach a newspaper ad or print off something from their website that shows the price of the item. Before turning in the application, specify if the event is a major event, if you need an outside contractor, and if there is available space. Once completed, bring it to the source. Remember that it needs to be submitted 30 business days before the date of the event. Make sure there is documentation attached and that everything is explained in great detail. That concludes our lesson on the event application. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.